Hello everyone, I'm Clive, co-founder of RAPMAF, and welcome to RAPMAF's tool room. For simple sketches to precision parts, on this journey, you need more than just a manufacturer. You need a partner who truly understands the mission of your product. At RAPMAF, we are more than just parts manufacturer. We are your strategic partner in the success of your products. From initial design consultation to mass production support, we provide the complete manufacturing solutions. We are proficient in the development of various types of molds, including precision injection molds, die casting molds, stamping molds, and composite material moldings. Whether you need molds for medical devices, die casting molds for automotive parts, miniature precision molds for consumer electronics, or molds for critical aerospace components, we provide corresponding services. Customers often ask, why choose RAPMAF? The answer is simple. We don't just focus on the final product, we focus on every detail of manufacturing. From raw material selection to final polishing, every step is meticulously designed to ensure that our molds are not only precise but also durable. For your manufacturing needs, you deserve a manufacturing partner who truly understands your requirements. Whether you are in the initial design phase or mass production stage, you can count on RAPMAF. Click to follow us and stay tuned for our next exciting content.